Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be showing you how to create an invoice in our backend. With this feature, you are able to create and send an invoice to your customers so they can pay from anywhere. This feature makes it easier to accept transactions from the comfort of your home or wherever you are. So go ahead and log into your FlexiPOS account. Then click on the Mini POS tab to the left. If you guys want more details about the Mini POS feature, go ahead and check out our video walkthrough of the Mini POS backend feature. Now we will show you how to create a new cloud invoice, so simply click where it says New Cloud Invoice. Here you will fill out the customer's information, so go ahead and select the payment method, whether that be POS, email, or cash. Then fill out the customer's name, and select the method for the customer's receipt, whether that be SMS or through email. Then we put the reference number. Then we go ahead and add the products. You'll be able to see the product list or add a new item. Now let's finish the invoice. You can either search the item by name or code, then it will automatically give you the unit price, which you can customize to your liking, and then put the quantity the customer would like to purchase. Finally, we click Save to register the item on the invoice. Here, you are able to add as many items as you want. Then you will see the subtotal. This final amount of this invoice could change based on the tax rate or other fees. If you want to add an item that is not in your product catalog, simply fill out the required information, name or code, price and quantity, and like before, the final amount of this invoice could change depending on the tax rate or other fees. Then to finalize the invoice, click on Save. You will see that it says Request Successfully Done. Do you want to send this invoice to the customer now? You will click Yes, and once you receive the notification on top, that means that the invoice was successfully sent to the customer. Now let's take a look at what the email looks like on your customer's end. They'll see exactly what you created in your invoice. Click Make a Payment, it will bring them to their invoice information and enter their payment information. And that's how you successfully create an invoice thanks to our cloud-based backend. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.